Okay, so I had a lot of people asking me about AMC, and there's a lot of claim going around about 5 billion synthetics because it's an easy thing to say, but in reality, it's not true. And again, I made this mistake last year, and I was going to show you what I was referring to. Now, basically, the only way that you could ever think that there's that many synthetics by looking at data is if you're looking at systematic internalizer data. And a systematic internalizer is a trading device that is used in Europe, and only in Europe, and it's regulated by the ESMA. They were basically created after dark pools were capped in Europe. This was their way around that. Now, the way to find the data, go to Google, type in systematic internalizer data. It's going to be the first link, and you're going to want to click on the equity links for any period that you want to look at. So let's look at January of 2022 through June of 2022 this year. And you're also going to need to go to Google and type in the ISIN number for AMC. And to do that, just go to Google, type in ISIN, AMC, and then actually my entertainment ISIN number. Then you take this ISIN, and once you load your spreadsheet up, you just click on column C, and then search for that ISIN. And this is going to be AMC. Now, what I want you to look at is if you were first glancing at this spreadsheet and didn't read the explanatory note on the page before this one, you would assume that 1.395 billion shares of AMC were traded between that observation period of January and June of this year. However, if you go look at the explanatory note, and again, I made this same mistake last year, and I can 100% for certain tell you that the value of total turnover executed in the EU is expressed in euros. So when we go to the top, total turnover executed in the EU, this is not shares. This is dollars, specifically euro dollars. So that is why and how I know that the claim of there being 5 billion synthetics for AMC or GME or any stock for that matter is entirely false because number one, I've made the same mistake. Number two, no other data exists than systematic internalizer data that you could come to this conclusion. And three, just pay attention to detail. So you don't need magic for a stock to go up. AMC is undervalued. I still expect it to retrace a little bit, heading up to the ex-div and shortly thereafter. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, as far as billions and billions of synthetics, there's zero proof for this. There's only proof for billions of dollars, which makes sense.